According to a study, 81% of men feel more confident whenever they have a fresh trim or the right hairstyle. That just goes to show what impact your hair has on your self-esteem and how you actually view yourself. Me personally, I feel my confidence skyrocket whenever I get a haircut. So today you're going to want to stick around till the end for this one because I've got some elite advice for you here. Today, we're going to find that perfect hairstyle tailored for you so you feel even better about yourself. And we're first starting off with your face shape. So there are 6 main face shapes that you need to be aware of. Yeah, I didn't know the heart-shaped faces existed too, bro. So to find out which one you are, you should avoid face shape charts as they don't actually account for your own unique combination of your facial features. Things such as your jawline, your cheekbone width, your forehead size, and your hair play a massive part in dictating your hairstyle and your face shape. So, the best way I found is via the Face app, which provides a more personal feedback to you. Now that you know your face shape, we can figure out which style suits you best. So those of you with an oval face shape are very lucky, as you can typically get away with most hairstyles, including side parts, short cuts, or even long and wavy hair. You can see there's way more on the screen right now, but it is generally best to avoid hairstyles which cover the forehead or have hair which is very long and flat, as they do tend to throw off your face's natural balance and symmetry. So those of you with a more rounder face should get hairstyles which add volume and height to the top as they draw the eyes upwards, or create structure through side parts, but avoid buzz cuts and things which add volume to the side, as they will make your face look even more round. So those of you with a heart-shaped face typically have a wider forehead and narrower chin. So you may want to get a hairstyle which covers part of your forehead, as that will minimize the width and then also balance the narrow chin. So avoid tight cuts and slick backs, as they do tend to create a very top-heavy appearance. So those of you with a diamond face shape have wider cheekbones and narrower forehead and jawline. So you can extenuate your cheekbones by having that slick back look or add width with styles such as the fringe. Avoid cuts which add excessive volumes at the cheekbones, as this can make your face look wider. And for the brothers with a square face shape, you lot have very strong angular features including a prominent jawline. So have hairstyles that soften these angles, such as side parted styles, long layers, or even light waves, which are particularly flattering. You may even consider a close fade or a crew cut to highlight your strong features subtly, but try to avoid full bushy beards and short buzz cuts, as they can overly emphasize the squareness of your face. And finally, with those with a triangular face shape, you lot have a strong jawline which is wider than the forehead. So go for curly tops with a medium length style to balance that narrower forehead, and avoid short hair, as this can potentially make your face bottom heavy. Now that you know your hairstyle, we need to make sure that you look after it and avoid it looking dull or frizzy. Basically, it needs to look healthy. Now, no one wants unhealthy looking hair, do they? Here are some fundamentals when it comes to your hair. Now, I wish I could give you the perfect shampoo and conditioner, but that usually comes through trial and error and seeing how your individual hair responds. Me personally, I have dry curly hair, so I usually ensure that there's as much moisture as possible using hydrating oils and deep conditioners weekly, and I shampoo very rarely. This is what I was saying, I'm going to put you lot on differently for this. So when figuring out what products work for you, do it alongside ChatGPT and let it know all about your hair, what products you're using and how it responds, and then ChatGPT will help you in finding the perfect product. I'm gonna make a video on this soon, so stick around. In terms of your daily hair care, ensure that you pat your hair dry with a towel instead of vigorously rubbing, as that can cause breakage and frizz. And when you are blow drying, use a lower heat setting and avoid doing the same spot for too long to avoid overheating. Finally, get haircuts every 6 to 8 weeks, as that is crucial because not only does it keep you looking sharp, but it is vital for healthy hair as it gets rid of any split ends and breakages. And there you have it, lads. Quick and simple tips to help you get the best hair possible as a man. If you want other glow up tips, click the video on the left, but if not, chat to me in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and until next time, peace.